Welcome to this little video that's introducing you to us men here who are holding space at a men's retreat on the 26th of November.
Really excited about just bringing people, men, from their mind back into their heart, and that's the whole, intention here. Is just to feel back into our heart, feel more love, confidence, presence, all the beautiful stuff in life. And through all our modalities, I think we've covered everything there to be able to do that. It's really exciting, and I'm really looking forward to it. Really looking forward to that.
To work with these brothers together, for me it's very special, like seeing the completely different backgrounds. I'm really excited because we got that opportunity to bring in these different angles and perspectives, so to look at these same things in slightly different ways. Because sometimes there's only a little shift in perspective, boom, opens up a whole new way of looking at your life and seeing things. This is really an opportunity to deepen and broaden for every one of us, just as much as for anybody who comes shares with us.
The invitation for all of us men is to come back into the heart. We get so busy, working and looking after everything, our families, that we forget to go back to the heart. And as we mentioned, we will do this with many different practices, but coming from tradition as well, which is something that for me is very important, and for all of us, to come back to the traditions and to the real knowledge coming from the lineage of tradition that sometimes get lost.
The traditions had something to offer, and I think along the line we threw out a lot of babies with the bathwater. So just come back to these basic proven practices, man, like a mindfulness, a contentment that can really shift and really work with that whole, and from there we can build.
But it's also about bringing things back to the basics, in the sense of
exactly.
Whether you are just studying this work or you have experience, this space is for everyone. And I think that's important to share, that we will create a space that is open for everyone to come and reconnect with themselves in that space in their heart with these practices in a way that we can all understand.
Yeah, so whether you're already doing what you love, whether you're already exactly where you want to be, or whether you're feeling that I want to be somewhere else, or just something doesn't feel right, there is something for all of you men to be here in this space with us.
Any man out there that's been searching for a place to express their emotions in a beautiful, safe environment, this is for you. We encourage you. Turn up, show up. We're all going to hold space, and it's going to be absolutely amazing and incredible. Feel free to express yourself, to sit still, to just be, and experience all that we have to offer. Absolutely amazing and incredible.
Something does happen when men just come together.
Yeah.
And so, in a way, all you have to do is turn up. There's no pressure of having to have a big experience or having to have anything. There is magic or there is power in just turning up, being around men, and allowing what needs to happen. And that's my experience.
That simplicity, what Christian said, back to the basics. So one of the things is back to the basics. What we forget a lot, to take some time off.
Yeah.
Sit around a fire.
Yeah.
And share, and simplicity.
Yeah.
And do these simple things, that is true. The power is already in there.
Yes. And the importance of building community. We became very isolated. We forgot how to look at people in the eyes. And I always share that, how we became so disconnected from ourselves first and then from the community. So for us men to gather together and find brotherhood in other men who might be going through similar experiences, so it's very important to gather together and create these communities so as we can support each other into this journey of life.
And sometimes that feels uncomfortable, and sometimes that feels okay, and but it's going to be safe. That's the other thing.
And good. And I feel we really are offering an opportunity here, because like what we said, we all got our work, man. Like I got my activity, Damon's super busy, the musician, Tony is busy. And Sonny to step in this arena of a men's retreat. And Christian proposed, I was like, I don't know, man. I don't know if that's my journey, or this is what I'm doing. But at the same time, yes, there is something to offer. And I feel we also, the price, it's not a top ticket. We really want it accessible. And we really hope that we can get together with new men who done the work, also facilitators. Even if you've been facilitating, I guarantee you there will be some moments, aha moments and breakthrough moments, because you're working with people who are coming not from that background of training that you've been following and these methods you'll be following, and that's it. That change of perspective will smash through things, you know. So there's a beautiful opportunity for all of us to grow.
We want to simplify the work as well for you. So to show you that it's not that difficult, and that coming back to the heart is one of the first steps for us, you know, to embrace life and to find that contentment and acceptance and gratitude about the life that we have.
And how does that look? Also, what Christian said, we're all four really different, and on some things we actually disagree. There's quite a few points when I guess my brother's man, I see that completely different. And in general, when we offer things, we all have this idea. When we offer a retreat, we all gotta kind of hold the party line almost, you know, because we want to create that container, and everybody get excited about this journey. And in a way, that's beautiful. It can be very powerful, but it's also automatically you're already narrowing yourself down. So in this, what I can see happen already, you know, Christian might take you there in a workshop, and Sonny takes you there. Boom, and I just gonna take you there again.
Yeah. So this is an opportunity to like the theme is for the day, to reconnect, to reflect, and then to recharge. And that's what we're offering, and we're offering that all coming from the heart.
So if there is a little voice inside you that has a bit of curiosity about what is this all about, just give us a call and trust, you know, because we are preparing something very special, and we know it's going to bring a lot of value. We're bringing back traditions, you know, and simplify everything for you, so you can have an experience to reconnect, reflect, and recharge, and go back into life and live, you know, a life of contentment and gratitude, and share this with others, with your loved ones, with your family.
So yeah, thank you so much for listening. 26th of November is when we gather, and our intention, our why for doing this is all about bringing you back to the heart, connection, and being real, and in a safe, beautiful space, beautiful environment where you can just be real, be comfortable, find joy, happiness, peace, contentment, and connect with a whole bunch of men and brothers, and like we were just saying, sit around a fire. All the different modalities are going to be there to experience, and it's going to be absolutely amazing. We're all excited and we're super pumped for this, and yeah, we're all in, all our hearts, and we can't wait to gather on beautiful, beautiful land, 26th of November, here on the Sunshine Coast. So yeah, much love, thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you all there.